Doon muna tayo. Morning everyone. So for this episode, magwo-walking kami ng pamangkin ko. Ayan siya oh. Nagwo-warm up na siya. So itutour ko kayo sa sa neighborhood namin. Ito yung neighborhood namin dito sa Pilipinas. Alright. See you later. O diba, tahimik. Actually ito dead end na kasi dito eh. Kaya bihira lang yung mga sasakyan na dumadaan dito. Yan ba yung balete na puno? Madami magagandang bahay dito eh. Ito, isa to sa maganda. Sa US Choy, wala kang ganong makikita doon ng mga tao. Kasi busy na sila. Umaga pa lang. Pumapasok na sila sa work. Kaya tahimik. So dito naman sa Pilipinas, maririnig mo mga kahol ng aso, mga rooster, at saka mga sasakyan, mga motor, ganyan. Bakanting lote yata ito oh. May nakatira dyan? Bakante siya oh. Dito kayo naglalaro? Saan yung mga kalaro mo? Bibidyoan ko sana itong saging. Kaya nga, papaanuhan ko. Ayun choyo, yung ganun choyo. Yan yung gusto kong bilhin. Lagay natin sa labas. Yung parang lubi-lubi nga. Resort yan eh. Tignan mo oh. Yung parang merong kubo-kubo. O diba? Mga mga huni ng mga tilaok ng mga manok. Ang daming papaya oh. Alam mo, mabuti dito sa ano natin area. Maraming mga puno. Kaya nga maganda siya eh. Hindi mainit. Kaya lang, pag every year naman, nagkakalaglagan yung mga dahon. Parang fall season. Tignan mo. Oh, mga dahon. Mm. O, diba maganda?
Huh?
Maganda yung neighborhood natin. Malinis. May mga talatalahib lang sa gitna. Ay, gilid pala. Ito, bakanteng lot. Ay no, nabili na daw ito eh. Gagawin daw ko no itong paupahan. Para siyang condominium. Ayun oh, may mga post na. Yun, hanggang doon yun sa dulo. Nakapunta ka na dito? So dito, tahimik. Pero yan lang yung mga maririnig ninyo. Mga motor. Pero other than that, tahimik dito sa area namin. Which is so nice. Yung mga barking ng dog, common na talaga yan sa Pilipinas. So, okay lang yun. Ay, maganda dito, Choy. Halika, punta tayo dito, banda. Dead end na ba yun doon? Paikot. Hinihingal ako. Ha? Ian? Why you came so early? You okay? How are you? What you doing? It's a Good Friday. Oh, tapos mag-exercise, magbibili kami ng pandesal. O, di ba? Kinain lang sa pandesal yung nilakad namin. Oh.
Is that scenario open today?
I don't know.
It is a question of belief. And in the middle of this, in the most unusual American cross of the day, this D1 is connected there to another district was struck and restored. In some of the area report, the name Haram was also mentioned, but the picture that became clear during the day is that this was in fact the strategic bridge for Tehran and another district in it. Only around 40 kilometers from the capital. The idea says that this was not an Israeli strike like an American one. And according to the report, the bridge was struck once, then around 2.5 hours later, another strike was reported. While rescue teams were already on and
We deserve the best, but we put in all our best. That should be your standard. Yeah, again and again, I choose Pure Foods corned beef. Every can, an expertly crafted masterpiece. 100% pure beef with juicy beefy goodness, ensuring quality you trust and the taste you love. Yan ang pinabalik-balikan ko. Para sa akin, the best pa rin. Choose Pure Foods corned beef, the pure standard.
in the area. There were also reports of power outages and of damage to an innovation and industry plants in Al-Buaj and in the old home Hashlahom. What was the goal? We will need to remain precise because one military source estimated that the strike was meant to prevent military use of the bridge for the movement of equipment.
Yes, Larry, he cleaned up his motorcycle, making it look a little bit for his girlfriend.
Transport link from the rest of the country.
He just likes to clean though.
That's good. He's got, you want to take care of your stuff.
I know.
From the entire country. So it is clear that this is a bridge with both military and also transport use, and it is clear that this is a strategic message, but not all of the operational.
There's a guy standing there with his daughter and his dad. He looks just like his dad.
Really?
They bought an electric scooter.
Uh-huh.
His dad said, I said, oh,
They reckon that
the driver's ed course, yeah. Sometimes trying to learn how to drive it. He's doing pretty good now.
Among the targets that they named.
At first he was like,
were bridge on highways.
Is that like an e-bike?
Bridges
An
that
e-bike?
Bike, yeah.
without being Jordan and Iraq.
got a top on it, you know, the ones you see, sort of like Jennifer's.
Mhm.
And the propaganda promotion. Yeah, spoke about the Yampol Bridge and the Jezreel Tunnel as key components in Israel's transport network, even though some of these terms do not correspond at all to the infrastructure in Israel. In other words, this is an attempt to create an impressive part
Got
of
10 laps in.
Not all of it is based on an accurate operational picture. This is exactly the point. When we need to
It was a nice walk though. We went down there to the one, it's a lot of bushes. The one you used to ride a bicycle.
Despite the heavy damage
Yeah.
inflicted on the Iranian fleet, updated reports
We took a video of the cow. You know,
Yeah.
that stuff.
Considerable control over the passage through the strait. And according to the descriptions that were published,
It was a really nice neighborhood, you know. It's quiet. Except sometimes the motorcycle, you know.
to submission
Right.
of full information of the ship, payment in Chinese currency or crypto. There are even reports of access codes, route instructions, and Iranian escorts through the passage. The meaning is that even if Iran has been hit hard, it still knows how to hold the world energy market by its throat. And that's
Only for a
exactly
little while.
what igniting the Arab Arena.
Don't get them thinking that they're gonna be able to do something, they're just gonna get killed, that's all.
Refinery in Saudi Arabia. But they were intercepted before reaching the targets. This is the second attack on Aramco facilities since the beginning of this war. At the same time, there were continued reports of threats and also strikes in Dubai, Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain. There was even a report today that the military guard plane had attacked Amazon facilities in Bahrain. Is every such claim accurate? Not always. But the trend is clear. Iran is trying to expand the zone of pressure for its energy computing sites in the Gulf. Facing that stance, the United States and United Arab
Alright.
Emirates.
So ayan, dyan nag-end ang aming episode.
The United
So
Arab
thank you so much
Emirates
everyone for watching. I really appreciate all of you.
is
Bye-bye.
pushing for an option of opening the Strait of Hormuz.